Hey everyone! Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video I will show you a complete safety setup for the Waze app so you can drive smarter and stay safe on the road. These settings will protect you from accidents, heavy traffic, roadblocks, wrong turns, and even speed tickets. So let us get started. Open the Waze app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left. Tap on Settings. Now tap on Alerts and Reports because this is where you control all the important safety warnings. Tap on Reports. Tap on Cameras. Here you will see several camera alerts. Make sure Speed Camera is toggled on because this helps you avoid speeding tickets. You can toggle on the other options too because they alert you about red light cameras and other checkpoints which are very useful. Go back. Now tap on Railroad Crossing and toggle on Show on Map and Alert while driving. This will warn you when a rail track is ahead, which is very important especially at night. Go back and tap on Traffic. Toggle it on so Waze can warn about traffic jams and slowdowns. Tap on Hazards and toggle it on. This will help you know about accidents, obstacles, or vehicles stopped on the road. Tap on Bad Weather and turn it on because visibility and road grip can change anytime. Tap on Block Lanes and toggle it on because blocked lanes can delay you for a long time. Tap on Speed Limit Changes and toggle it on so you know when the speed limit suddenly reduces. Tap on Construction and toggle it on to avoid trouble in construction zones. Tap on Closures and also school zones. Toggle them on as well for safer driving. Now go back. Under Reports you will see Area. You can choose how far Waze should show alerts. Choose on route or any distance like 5 kilometers or more depending on your preference. Under Area there will be Speedometer. Toggle on Show Speedometer because it helps you monitor your speed directly on screen. Tap on Show Speed Limit and choose Always or the option you prefer. Tap on Speeding Threshold and select a safe value. Then toggle on Alert at Threshold so Waze will warn you before crossing the speed limit. Now go back to the main settings menu. Tap on Vehicle Details and select your vehicle category like private, taxi, or motorbike. If you own an electric car, then toggle on EV features and select your plug type so Waze can show nearby charging stations. If you use petrol or gas, then select your fuel type, which will also help in navigation. Go back again and tap on Navigation. Here you can choose to avoid toll roads, avoid ferries, avoid freeways, or allow unpaved roads. You can also enable or disable difficult intersections. Choose the options that match your driving area and comfort level. Go back and tap on General. Toggle on Prevent Auto Lock so your phone screen stays active during navigation. Select your distance units, either kilometers or miles. Tap on Trip Suggestions and toggle on Get Traffic Updates so Waze can warn you before you leave your home. Finally, go back and tap on Voice and Sound. Turn on voice guidance because listening is safer than looking at the screen. Enable brief instructions if you want short guidance and adjust the volume for clear hearing. Now your Waze app is fully optimized for safe and smooth driving. I hope this setup helps you avoid stress on the road. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.